Hey, what's up, guys? This is ProWolfTrader. You're watching a live stream in London session and on towards New York session. We have some new news coming in right about a couple of hours ago, approximately my timing. If around 12:30, almost like 12:25, my timing, and according to UTC plus 5:15 hour for like 13th hour or something. We got this news that Al Arabia source said that Asim Munir is carrying an offer to Iran to halt the siege and lift sanctions under the Memorandum of Understandings. This news quickly threw the crude oil price from 84 downwards towards 83, and S&P 500 rallied up a little bit, and dollar was seen with weakness further downside. And as of now, the US may return diplomats to Middle East as soon as this week. We also got this from New York Times. And Qatar is also saying that it's continuing US-Iran mediation efforts, quoted by Al Jazeera. So we have several news coming in all of a sudden that everything is going fine. And this is Jackson Hole week. On Friday, we will get Kevin Walsh. He's going to talk about the economy, interest rate, and where where is the economy headed will be decided when on Wednesday we will get the PCE core index and GDP, along with Thursday unemployment claims, and onwards Friday his speech. So pretty much we are scalping all day. Yesterday I took the most trades since I came started live streaming. Yesterday I shared around 6 to 7 signals, and out of those 6 to 7 signals, we still have one signal running. Silver trade, silver short is still running, but on the other hand, we are scalping gold buy, and it is what it is, and things are going smoothly. Let's see where the market takes us. I'm pretty much waiting for you guys to hop on board and see what's happening in the market. Give me 5 minutes to settle up, and let's start our trading. I'm gonna be streaming really long today, really for long. SL कहाँ है बता दें really quickly. SL मेरा SL इस प्रीमियम एंट्री के हिसाब से हमने एंट्री ली है हमने प्रीमियम में सिग्नल ग्रुप के अंदर 4630 से लेके 4625, और जो स्टॉप लॉस है वहाँ पे वो है 4615 है, ठीक है। और लेकिन जो अभी एंटर हो रहा है 38 पे, वो वही और स्टॉप लॉस नहीं रखेगा, ये इनवैलिड है। अभी इस एरिया में बाय करना इनवैलिड है, आपको इंतज़ार करना होगा थोड़ा, मोस्ट लाइकली ये नीचे भी नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि 30 मिनट को देख लो। 30 मिनट अब सिर्फ न्यूयॉर्क सेशन में हम जैसे जैसे जा रहे हैं हम लोग आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, वैसे वैसे आपको बाइंग प्रेशर नज़र आएगा। क्रूड ऑयल में भी देखो थोड़ा नज़र आ रहा है, क्रूड ऑयल भी ऊपर जाने को कर रहा है, लेकिन इन ऑल चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं नज़र आ रही मुझे, ख़ास तौर पे सेलर्स के लिए। अब न्यूयॉर्क ओपन से पहले ये ऊपर जाएगा मोस्ट लाइकली 4680। ये जो उससे हाई पर आया ना, ये रीटेस्ट करेगा। ये आज का जो सुबह का जो टोक्यो सेशन का हाई है ना, ये लाजमी रीटेस्ट करेगा उसको। Anyways, hey, what's up, Harun? Is it possible to start with 100? Yes, it is possible. Some of the guys in the premium group are doing trading with that. Some of them, in fact, even converted their $100-$200 capital into $600-$800. But I always tell them to make sure not to over leverage, use correct risk management. But they never listen, so I hope they will listen. But please, I always say, you know how much you are risking. The risk reward should be balanced, it should not be over. You can start with whatever, by the way, this is not a financial advice, I'm just helping you guys. You can open a cent account there's a standard account, but you can open a cent account if you have less capital. But I believe if you have that much equity and you just take 1-2 trade with, you know, minimum risking $10 to $15 per trade, and in return of $20 to $25 or reward, it's okay. That's 1:2 risk to reward. But you have to wait for precise entry. If you have that much equity, it's better to take less signals and wait for A plus setups. I'm giving A plus setups in that membership. Yesterday there was a lots of what do you say, guidance by me. Nearly I guided 7 times in that group, and out of 7, one trade is still running, one trade was not so good, but other 5 trade we were able to, you know, benefit from it. Listen, it doesn't matter if you have 100 or you have 1000. If you are doing the same mistakes, that equity will, you know, get wiped. You should know how much the lot size should be. You know, you should have precise calculation of each and everything. Anyways, guys, this is the link for the Discord. Join our Discord. Here is the link. Sorry, Telegram. Join Telegram. Avoid Discord. Guys, please, I will never add you on any social media. I will never message you. I will never, neither on Discord or Telegram. So be aware of that. Harun, the membership is all the details are in the Telegram group. You can join it up. All the details are over there. By the way, let me tell you what you will get. You will get Discord access, and if you don't use Discord that much, then you will be added to the WhatsApp, in which you will get, you know, DMs right away when we have a specific entry criteria with A plus setups. Go join the Telegram group. Everything is there. The membership is starting from, I think, $100. We had a 14 August Independence sale. I was giving away 14% off, but that's over now. Next will be I think in the Christmas and New Year sale. Till then, nothing. And during December, the trading is really less. The volume is really low. So I'm a scalp. What do you say? By the way, this is a scalp trade. What do you say? This is a scalp trade, and this is a swing trade. A scalp TP1 is already hit. TP1 was 46.38. It's hit. TP1 was almost 110 pips profit. We already took TP1. This is TP2 for 46.45. TP3 is 46.57, TP4 is 46.64, and TP5 and 6 are my personal. It had nothing to do with the membership, but I did mention that I am taking my trades till 46.71 and 84. Again एंट्री कर लूँ. अब नहीं एंट्री नहीं करनी. एंट्री एरिया मिस हो गया भाई. ये नहीं है एंट्री एरिया. एंट्री एरिया यहाँ था. ये देख रहे हो आप. देखो तो आपकी एंट्री गलत होगी. तो आपका फिर आप रोते हो कि यार ये पीछे गया और स्टॉप लॉस हिट करके ऊपर चला गया। आपकी एंट्री गलत थी ना, आप वेट कर लेते। ठीक है, मैं तो स्ट्रीम उस वक्त नहीं कर रहा था ना, मैं अपने मसलों में फंसा हुआ था। इतनी मुश्किल से मैं आया हूँ ऑनलाइन, अब तुम बोल रहे हो एंट्री, यहाँ से क्या फ़ायदा, देख नहीं रहे हो। अब ये तुम बोलोगे अब ये नीचे नहीं गिरेगा, मैं भी यहाँ ले लूँ, भाई नहीं गिरेगा तो अब लेने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, बैठे रहो खामोशी से। अब ये जाता है ऊपर, फिर ऊपर से देखेंगे क्या करना है। अभी मिस हो गई है, कुछ नहीं करो। इतना आसान थोड़ी होता है। तुम लोग बोलते हो हमारा लॉस हो गया, भाई लॉस होगा ना। तुम लोग हर हर जगह से थोड़ी आपको एंट्री एंट्री एक बार लेते हैं आप, और प्रिसाइज लेते हैं। जैसे कि 15 मिनट पे मैं जाऊँ, यहाँ ली है हमने एंट्री, 15 मिनट की कैंडल देख रहे हो, ये ओपन हुई है यहाँ पे, यहाँ ली है हमने। अब या तो ये नीचे गिरे और फिर यहाँ से रिजेक्शन हो और कंफर्मेशन के बाद फिर से लो, या अगर नहीं है तो फिर मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ भाई। तुम लोग को लेने का शौक हो रहा है, एंट्री यहाँ से ले लो। 7 मिनट बाद 30 मिनट कैंडल बन हो रही है, क्या पता नई 30 मिनट कैंडल नीचे की तरफ जाए और फिर ऊपर चली जाए। भाई अगर तुमने टीपी बुक कर दिया है तो उसी जगह ट्रेड खोलने का क्या फ़ायदा, थोड़ा और वेट कर लेते, नीचे आया था। न्यूयॉर्क सेशन न्यूयॉर्क सेशन इज़ अबाउट टू स्टार्ट इन अबाउट in an hour or 8 minutes, so wait for that, wait for that. I mean, do you get the point or not? Okay, so TP2 is about to hit at 46.45. Hey guys, I'm back. So apparently, as you can see, the TP2 is about to hit. TP2 as 46.45, and let's see what's happening. Apparently, we have buy side momentum again. This is buying pressure is due to the fact that Asim Munir is going back to Tehran with a memorandum and deal for Iran and US that will remove all the sanctions on Iran and put ultimate ceasefire. But keep in your mind that yesterday US Treasury Bison said that those countries who are in trade with Iran, if they don't back off, 50% tariff, additional 50% tariff will be imposed on them. Keep in your mind that this is a big news and it's quite bothering at the same time, but it is what it is after all. We have changing situations. I came up to the conclusion that we have to wait from the US side. Once the US does something, we have to make an initial trade plan regarding to that. Just shooting, shooting your gun in the what you say in the blank is not worth it. You have to wait for most likely US session or any US news and then react to that news. Make your A plus setup accordingly. I made my 8 plus setup accordingly. I took an entry on 15-minute time frame. I shared it in the membership, premium membership. Guys were in that. It's not that I'm saying again, I give so many trades and 88. I have a 88% chance that things goes well. It's not that every trade goes well accordingly. Some of our trade, what do you say, doesn't go good, and I mean, if I recall, we took two trades this morning: crude oil and gold. Apparently, gold came back. We had a stop loss at 46.25. It hit it. I took another entry at 46.25, and now I took that profit and we covered that loss. And crude oil trade I took before the Asim Munir news came out. I was on a long on crude oil. That SL hit. This happens, stuff happens. I mean, it's normal. I'm sharing this so you guys know that people try to present themselves in a bigger image, like they can never make a mistake. Mistakes are made either intentionally or unintentionally. I try to minimize that mistake by following my 8 plus, what do you say, I have a verification process. If I take something, okay, some term on through social saying something, wait. Just he's just talking about some more sanctions on some random ass country I never heard about. But anyways, coming back to this thing I was mentioning, that we have to be persistent about what we are doing, and I try to minimize mistakes by following a set procedure. Each and everything that happens goes through a certain entry criteria. Anyways, according to that, we are good. We are good. Okay guys, so TP2 is about to hit. TP2 is sitting at 46.45. As soon as it hits, then we will move towards TP3. What the hell is that? What is this decline? This something happened? News, let me check news. Why this sudden fall? This something happened? No news, nothing. Trump is giving serious consideration to changing the name of Lake to America. Okay, nothing new. So TP2 is about to hit. As soon as TP2 will hit, we will move towards TP3. I'm not moving my stop loss to break even. I'm instead moving my stop loss to 50%. Once I hit TP2, we are moving slowly, progressively. So eventually, uh, this is it is what it is. For your kind information, this stream is for educational purpose only. So I'm not responsible for any of your financial loss, but I am taking trades. These are my trades. ProWolfTrader beginner batch 15 is starting from 1st September. Just 1 week left to register yourself. Only 9 seats are available out of 20. So DM me if you want to be part of something that is going to change your life and your view regarding the international market. How to trade is going to open doors for you. Anyways, back to where we were. This entire region, one thing was I wanted to stream today in the Tokyo session, but I was really tired and I slept. And I woke up. This is why I decided to stream from London to New York. This area, the price dropped. I missed this entire move down. If I was awake, definitely I would have shorted. But the very fact that I was unable to take it really is annoying me. But it's okay. At least we are in the buy. Once all our TPs are hit, I will not take any further trades on gold. I will just wait for Wednesday, because tomorrow we will get PCE and GDP, PCE core index and GDP. Then we will navigate the market likewise. Let's switch back to, let's look at the 30 minute. 30 minute is bullish. 15 minute is also, 15 minute is bearish. Lower time frame showing that is bearish, higher time frame showing is bullish. See the contradiction. This is why I'm saying be really precise about your entries. Be really precise. One more thing. This, you see this line over here. What is this line? This is exponential moving average 50. And when the price was below it, this exponential moving average 50 signifies where the trend is. If the price is below it, it signifies a downward trend. If the price is above it, it signifies an uptrend. There is one more moving average that is much more important than 50 moving average, but I leave that part for the guys later, because if you want to learn all of that, you need to be in the batch. Let's come back to the 50 moving average. You see this 50 moving average, how is reacting. Price was unable to break below this 50 moving average, and it just kept going up. Last week it was a 5% increase on gold from 43 to 46. Now everything depends upon this. You need nothing, you just need this 50 moving. This is why majority of my TPs after TP 1 and 2 are sitting above this 50 moving average, and I believe that price will be moving above this area soon. And I switched to 30 minute for the very same reason. And now I'm just although there is divergence, but I'm kind of ignoring divergence for now because I'm scalping now. Swing trading will be back, but as of now my focus is entirely on the scalp trades. Guys, if you're watching this stream for the first time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated whenever I am online. Join our Telegram community. The link is over here. I'm posting the link for the Telegram. DM me if you want to be part of the ProWolfTrader membership, in which you will get analysis and signals for each and every instrument, either metal, indices, commodities, crypto, with day-to-day analysis of how to navigate yourself. You sit back, relax, and let us do the work. Here's the link for the Telegram. Only use the Telegram link to message me, even if you have any questions, concerns. Don't accept any friend request. I will never send you a friend request, and I will never ask you to do any of those things that people are doing in my name and making others fool. TP2 is about to hit. Come on, GG. Slowly, steady, we will get there. TP2 is about to hit. TP2 is at 46.45. Currently, we are just 30 pips away from TP2. And as soon as TP2 hits, we will be near the exponential moving average 50. Now, let me tell you about exponential moving average 50. What's about? Listen, right now in this current market, you need to trade volatility. You need to trade volatility. Because on normal days you would see market would move $70-$80 one direction, okay, but this week is Jackson Hole, okay, and from if I take into consideration what happened from Tokyo till Tokyo low and Tokyo close session, it was nearly $70-$80 drop, and then the price went up $30, $40 up, then $40-$50 down. Now it's again $40-$50 up. That means the market is $80 going up, $50 going down, $40 up, $50 down. It's like huge moves. What is that? Because it's two-sided. Okay, today is an important day because we are just one day away from the PCE and GDP. So let me read out what we're gonna do today, because we have to be really careful for. Okay, TP has been hit, TP2 has been hit. GG guys, TP2 hit. Guys in the premium membership, TP2 is hit. Make sure to book your profits. Again, I'm saying make sure to book your profits. Back the money. Always back the money. No, don't leave anything. Let me read out what we're gonna do today. Today's plan. Today's day plan. Tuesday. Where is it? Here we are. So Tuesday brings US consumer confidence and housing related data, including new home sales. These are not likely to be as important as the Wednesday PCE GDP releases, but they can influence the dollar and treasury yield during the New York session. Now the important question is that is the US economy is still resilient, and the answer lies to the data. If we have strong data, that will result in dollar index going up, yields climbing, and contrary, gold will drop. But if the data is weak, dollar will drop, yields will drop, gold will go up. Okay, but I would not treat Tuesday as a secondary event day. In short, I will keep everything on the side. My eyes should be on Wednesday. Now let's come back to what's happening. We are still going up. Gradually, we are moving into the New York session, and it just seems like it's gonna keep climbing away. A couple of hours ago, we did get this news that Asim Munir is traveling yet again with a memorandum that will lift off all the sanctions and put a ceasefire that will be placed for a fixed duration of time, or God knows permanently, if they accept their deal. Now the main question over here is, what are you gonna do about it? I can talk hours and hours and hours. The main thing is, are you guys getting my point? Be active on chat. Tell me, are you getting my point? I guess no. Hey, what's up, Ganesh? Hey, bro, please check 4 hourly chart. Yeah, I'm checking the. I have eyes on the 4 hourly. 4 hourly is still up. We have higher high, higher low, higher high consolidation, and now we are going higher high again. So I have my eyes on the 4 hourly. We are going up. Four hourly is still uptrend. Listen, as long as, let me tell you one thing. See this? As long as the price is above 50 moving average, it's not, it's not, it might drop down till retracement, you have to take an average of Fibonacci along with other stuff to see till where the price can, retrace back. But as of now, it's still going up, it's still moving up, there's much up. It will hit definitely 4700. It will move back to the 4700 range, so keep that in your head. Overall, both of our TPs 1 and 2 have been hit, so that's a relief. Other TPs, we are getting there eventually. Slowly, steadily, we will be there. Ask me some questions. Don't be shy. I'm just analyzing the market. I'm seeing what's possible other markets for other entries. So new 30-minute candle is up. Let's go back to 15-minute time frames to see what's cooking on the lower time frame. Yeah, we are slowly moving up. Kind of what we see. Half an hour away from New York Open. I'm going back to 30 minutes because 30 minute is good for my eyes. TP1 got hit. TP1 was 46.38. TP2 was 46.45. Both of them hit. And now we are moving towards TP3, which is slight bigger, slightly larger target, setting almost 180 pips away. We'll get there. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join Telegram, the link is in the bio. Join our Discord. I'm giving the Discord link too. Message me if you have any concerns, if you have any questions regarding anything. ProWolfTrader beginner batch 15 is starting from 1st September, guys. 9 seats are available. 11 seats are reserved. Overall 20 seats. And ProWolfTrader Group 2 for premium membership is open, is filling in. Last week people joined, some people joined yesterday. So please join it before the group gets full. Group 2. Right now Group 2 is filling in. It is what it is after all. As long as above 46.30 is bullish, keep that in your mind. We are going back up. Look at even silver. I think we hit TP1 on silver. We have to stop. Gold is trading around 46.43 after yesterday's strong rally to a fresh 3-month high near 46.80. The broader structure remains finely bullish, supported by a softer dollar, lower yield, and strong safe haven demand. But today's pullback consolidating is normal after the recent acceleration. Today, New York focuses the U.S. consumer confidence, new home sales, and revised building permits, with the key releases at approximately 10:00 a.m. Eastern Time. Consumer confidence is expected to be around 90.3, while new home sales are seen around 620. Bullish scenario: the key intraday structure support is at 46.32, 46.16. If the price holds 46.32 and 46.16 and reclaims 46.47, we can put to say then the price will be headed towards 46.69 and 46.97. Back in focus with sustained breakout potential, open above 47.20 to 47.50. Bearish scenario: how can the market drop? Number one reason, rejection around 46.67 till 46.69, followed by a break below 46,016. Could, in short, 46.16 could trigger a deep retracement towards 45.97 if the price falls. But let me just stop the bearish scenario because we are moving into the bullish scenario. So let's focus on the bullish scenario. Intraday support is at 46.32 to 46.16. Holding this zone we will then move towards reclaiming 46.47, and we are moving towards 46.47. Once we hit 46.47, then we will move to 46.69 around here, and then 46.97. Don't wait till that. Then if you are in a trade, good. If you are not in a trade, make sure you are in the membership to get those trades in those right areas to benefit, just like we are benefit right now. Let's talk about today's game plan during New York session. Expect volatility around the US housing and consumer data. Stronger than expected confidence housing data could lift the USD and yields and create a pressure on gold, while a weaker data could enforce the bullish gold narrative. Trust me, the data will be lower. More importantly, this is Jackson whole week. Wednesday will bring us PCE, core PCE, durable goods, and revised GDP. And Thursday brings jobless claims and brings Kevin Walsh to give some keynotes. With gold already extended, do not chase the highs. Watch 46.47, 46.69 and 46.97 and trade likewise. That means we are cooked. New York is about to open in 8 minutes. Let's see what the market has for us. Okay, so the New York Stock Exchange is open and things are escalating for gold. Gold is going up. Stock market today is also advancing, as Scott Bison said that he will have talks with the Irani counterpart this week. So it's more and more good news coming in. Just sit back, relax, no need to rush anything. And for those who are wondering what I am doing, I'm taking it slowly. Since New York session have started, let me consider taking another entry if the setup. Yeah, I'm seeing a entry setup again forming. This will pull back up again. Bitcoin hit 80,000 resistance zone. Now it's dropping. Good news or bad news? Let's see. Again, if the price come back, if the price retraces back to 46.30 to 46.25, this is a buy area. let's go back to 30 minutes because I believe the 30-minute candle is good for our time frame. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. This is ProWolfTrader live from New York session. I'm streaming today from London to New York because I was asleep in Tokyo taking rest. Now we are in. I missed this move in the Tokyo session. It almost hit 47,000, but it did a small retracement. This was almost $85 retracement, $80 retracement, and now we are back up $60, back down back down 40, up for $50, back down $40, now up again $40, a little bit retracement going on, and sooner or later it will head back straight up. Again, I am saying our area of focus should be EMA 50, exponential moving average 50, which is at 46.50. If the price goes above it, we see a bullish. More news coming in from the New York session. More news coming in from the New York session. Keep that in your head. I'm checking poly market for any possible direction. Poly market, nothing. Bitcoin up or down 5 minute. Majority of people are up. Where will what price will Bitcoin hit in August? Majority of the people are saying above 80. Some of them are saying below 77. Fed decision is September. Majority no change. US-Iran ceasefire is still. They are saying that the ceasefire will continue. It's August 22nd. US announces end of Iranian blockade by still. US open. Okay. The Straits of Hormuz returns to normal by September 30th. So much happening. So much is happening. Let's see. Guys, ProWolfTrader beginner batch 15 is starting next week. 1st September. Only 9 seats are available. Book your spot and be part of the 15 batch. And ProWolfTrader premium membership is currently open. People are joining. Some people joined last week. Some people joined this Monday. And they're joining every week. So what's stopping you? Be in the group. Get analysis on gold, silver, platinum, S&P 500, NASDAQ, crypto, currencies, whatever you want. With the end of the day and analysis and market briefing before the Asia, New York and London Open. Stay ahead of the game and win the game. Be with the Pro Wolf community, because that's how you trade. You trade with the pro. Let me see who's watching the stream. Harun, Ganesh, Story, nice, noise. Okay, see this is what I'm talking about. It drops down a little bit. It's not drop, it's more like a retracement. Let me put the Fibonacci. I forgot to put the Fibonacci. Uh, what's happening? Is there a news or something? Let me put the Fibonacci. Russia said something about needle export banned. God knows what's happening in the market. So I'm taking the Fibonacci and okay, here is this Fibonacci. So this Fibonacci is from Tokyo high to Tokyo low, okay? And according to the Fibonacci, our area, if you guys are listening from the batch 15, this is what I taught you guys, that where your entry area should be. And given that, if you take into consideration what's happening on the volume profile, also take that into notice. We're exactly sitting at point of control, and now the price is moving up because this is one of the confirmations of setup 2 which I was teaching in batch 15. According to the setup 2, we have not just 3, we have 4 confirmation. The biggest confirmation is on 15-minute on the left side, where you see bullish engulfing candle forming up long before anything else. So we are heading towards the golden zone. Price will hit golden zone. It previously did hit golden zone. Is retesting. It's like a magnet, and we will be above 46, 48 sooner. As soon as we hit the golden zone, also observe that the exponential moving average, which is acting like a resistance line, will be we will see a breakout, and then that resistance will turn into a support, and price will stay up above 46.50. It is what it is. We are getting news, 10 seconds left. Expect lower news. We're almost hitting 2400 subscribers. Thank you for all the love. It's really appreciable. Okay, so see this? This is what I was talking about. It drops to this area and then it traces back up. See this buy side volume, so much activity going on. And the Nasdaq is also going up. Nasdaq 100, US 30, S&P 500 is also moving up. Crude oil is still down. Dollar index is consolidating between the area of 98 and 99. Bitcoin is somewhere between. Currently, the Bitcoin is a spot 78,900. It there I think we hit the resistance at 80,000. So it's just it will drop maybe till 77,000. Bitcoin might drop till 77,000. I hope it does, and then we will see where the market is headed. Mm. This is just re-entry area. If let's go on a 15-minute time frame. If we see the next 15-minute candle holding off to this zone, we might re-enter again. But in all, both of the TPs were hit, so that's a good plus point. So with these two trades hitting TP1 and 2, we made an almost 200 pips of profit, which we already booked, and we are again going to the area of entry. And I think we will go there, and eventually it will go back up. I'm still holding off to the trades, but I did mention to the guys that book your profits and wait for price to confirm rejection or breakout. If we get a rejection near the support, then prepare to reload the entry. If we get a breakout, then wait for further validation for where the price is headed. exactly this is what's happening. See guys, I think you should enter over here in this zone. If we see a rejection for validating, yeah, 5 minute will tell you if you want to get in or out. I see possible re-entry area. Yeah, 4 minutes left for this 15 minute to close. Then I will, tell you. Bitcoin is still dropping. Dollar index is down. Main concern was dollar index. As long as dollar index is going down, gold will climb. Gold will climb. That's good. That's good for us. See, it's gonna do a pullback above 46.40 and then up again. We are almost 2 hours into the live stream. We are into the New York session. Things are pretty much calm. Nothing is moving. Everything is stopped. I see a buy setup on silver and crude oil on a 4 hourly time frame. See this is what annoys me. If it wants to go up, just go up. Why does it shows that why? Because we have this making a trend. See this. This is the area. hold. This is a trend line. This is a Fibonacci. Now let me go back to 30 minute because it's been a lot. Okay, we are back to 30 minute. This line is Fibonacci line. Okay, so this is Fibonacci. Okay. See this? Now it's gonna head up slowly, steadily. This is why I said yesterday that Monday is important for this week, because this week Friday is Jackson Hole and Monday will be a day where traders will position themselves for this week. Not just Monday, but Tuesday morning Tokyo session too. We positioned ourselves. Yeah, possible re-entry area. If this level is holding, this level is holding since London Open. This area, sorry, really strong support. Although it's not as accurate as our previous entry area, but it still is something good than nothing. But I'll advise be really careful on news and Guys who are watching the stream, if we get a rejection from this area, enter a long. Everything is okay. We are getting more news regarding tariffs, so yeah, keep your heads up for that too. More tariff related news coming in now. Let's read more news. What's happening today? Nothing, no news coming in. See guys, what is what I was talking about is going back up. And you guys never listen then. Guys, if you're watching this stream for the very first time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ProWolfTrader. Hit the bell icon to stay notified. Join Telegram using the link in the bio. ProWolfTrader Beginner Batch 15 starting from 1st September. Last date registration is this, the end of the 31st August. Only 1 week left. So do check it out. And it's holding on, still holding on to this zone. We are heading up finally. We are heading up. We are heading up again finally. So done. Look at this trend. It's gonna keep on moving up. If you guys would have taken a re-entry at 46.30, surely would have hit TP1 again 46.38, and TP2 was 46.37, 38 again, and Ula hit. It's so simple, man. Why do you guys don't listen? I should be on a 30-minute, but I'm on 15-minute because we are still consolidating. This is a W shape pattern. It's gonna head up. Silver is preparing to go up too. So a lot of stuff is happening. A lot of. Okay, so natural gas is dropping. Yeah, nat gas. Damn, I should have shorted. I missed natural gas. Okay. Again, guys, if you're watching this stream for the first time, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And ProWolfTrader beginner batch is starting from 1st September. 8 seats are available. Do check it out. Reserve your spots. 12 seats are booked. 8 seats are left. Just 1 week left.